How to activate a private session on Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will deal with our data that is shared on Spotify. Spotify, like other platforms, collect tons of data about us in order to make their service more efficient. This data, which is public, can be seen by anyone who follows us on Spotify. In times when there is a lot of emphasis on the protection of our data, the protection of our data is an important topic. How can we do this on Spotify and protect our data? We will open Spotify. When Spotify opens, tap on our profile icon in the upper left corner. In the menu that opens, select Settings and Privacy. In the settings of our Spotify, we will select the Privacy and Social menu. When the menu opens, all we need to do is activate the private session option by tapping the switch on the right. And that is it. Now our data will not be shared and no one but us will see our activities on Spotify. In this way, we saved a lot of data to remain private and improved our security on this platform. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spotify tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.